Welcome everyone to today's session. Super excited to have you guys here. All of you guys, I am super excited to have you. Um, Hope you can be able to see my screen. Hope everything is clear, right? Hope you can be able to see Manara. I'll start by very quickly introducing what Manara is and how it works for the new people who do not understand how it works. Okay, very quickly, and then we get into the live analysis. So Manara is an artificial intelligence where it actually takes a look at the markets at large, whereby it gives you entries. Your entries, for example, you can be able to see like today, as I'm recording this video, we're able to get some entries. Okay, like for example, some really good entries. We had EURJPY. After EURJPY, also we had also USDJPY, which was actually a fantastic trade for USDJPY. So it gives you your entry, it gives you your target, and it gives you your stop loss. So you can be able to fine tune it based on how you want it to be. For example, if you're a smart money concept trader, you can always add, like for example, the bat pattern. And when you add the bat pattern, what will happen is you can be able to see, example, NZD you'll be able to see it will draw for you high quality supply and demand zones. So what you can really be able to do is just go and confirm on your trading view the price action, and you can actually go and execute and take the trades. Okay. Example, you can be able to see this is EURCAD. It's giving you can be able to see the entry here. The target one is here and target two is here. So it gives you high probability zones. So how do you get access to Manara? Okay, getting access to Manara, it's actually an AI that you need to purchase, whereby you've been able to join this call from the groups that you're in. You've been able to join this call. There's a link that will actually be dropped there, and on that link you can be able to get access to the AI. So this is where most of the people we usually part ways, and I usually say this. So the AI is actually 149, but this is actually ending today, $149. The price is going to be actually $250. Reason is it's because it's working, and as soon as you continue joining into these live trading sessions, you'll be able to get it. So the mode of payment, you can be able to pay with your Visa. Okay, you can be able to pay with your credit card. You can be able to pay with your debit card if you have a debit card. And also, if you have Binance and crypto, you can be able to access the AI using Binance and crypto. Then, after you've paid the $149, you'll need to be paying a $99 fee, which is a monthly subscription for you to be able to maintain your membership subscription. Kindly just make sure that you are muted, otherwise I'll just like get you call, because I don't want to be coming back to actually be muting and unmuting people. You're actually distracting the others. Rules of the house, mute yourself. Okay, so the other part is $99. So you may be wondering, how can I be getting $99? So we have, if you see AI is actually working, if you see the AI is working, I'm looking for that ninja who does not have the discipline to mute themselves. So if you see the AI is working and you see it's working very well for you, like the people in my VIP group are already sending screenshots of how they've already crashed it with the USDJPY. You can actually do what we call the refer three and pay no more program, whereby if you have like three traders who you know that they are actually traders, you can actually refer to them and get the AI, and you'll actually pay no more. Have you been able to see This is an AI that is actually on high demand. Like everybody wants it. Reason simply because it's actually working. All right. So let's get into today's analysis. And see if we can be able to see a live trade that we can actually take, or else what you can be able to do. The other thing I want to encourage you guys is focus on learning how to trade. Some people are actually sending me screenshots that are really crazy. Like someone tells me, hey, what's going on with your AUDJPY? I'm almost blowing my account. And I'm like, my brother, what are you doing holding a trade during the weekend? On Monday, the market will open with a huge gap. Even if the trade was supposed to be profitable, let me show you what happens. Even if the trade was supposed to be profitable, what will happen is it will hit your stop loss. That's the first thing that it will do. So why are you holding trades over the weekend? Can you close your trades during on Friday and come back on Monday and look at a high probability trade that you can actually take? Take a look at this gap. Someone was asking me, hey, are we still holding this trade? Whereas for me, the trade has already hit my take profit too. And I'm wondering what is wrong with people. All right? Focus on understanding risk management, focus on understanding what we are doing to trade, focus on understanding how you can become a better trader. Risk management is the most important part. All right, so for the people who are in the Telegram group, the gold trade was shared, and I believe right now you should start closing your partials. That is one thing that people do not understand. Right now, you should start closing your partials. I want to go into the Telegram group. You always want to get out of the market with something, man. Okay? If you trade, get out of the market with something. Make some money. Make some money. So if you're in this group, this gold signal was shared. Where was this? Pluto. You always want to come here to Pluto. Okay. This sell gold was shared. It has not hit its stop loss. For me, it's actually running in profit. I thought it will hit the stop loss, but well, it is actually in profit. So this is the trade. So I'll show you where the stop losses were. The stop losses were here, above this area. Here. Okay. So right now we have how many pips dropping? The entry was actually here where you're seeing I've marked this lane. So with this type of trading, you trade not targeting, like for example, if you take a look at the stop loss here, the stop loss is a little bit high, okay? So with such trades, what you usually do is you target pips. Pips is what you're working with here, all right? So with Pluto, you want to work with pips. For example, if your trade hits, like for example, take profit one here, book some profits, or you can close all your trades, whatever you'll feel like, because he will always be giving you more trades, more trades, more trades, more trades, more trades. So you can leverage your risk of 1:2 into two in two different trades. So as soon as your trade hits take profit one, make sure you close partials, guys. Make money, make money, make money. Stop focusing on hitting 1:2 and you're making nothing. What you want to focus on is how much are you making, what's getting into your pocket. Okay, this is one type of trading. We have different types of trading. The next type of trading is using Manara. Okay, so with Manara, what will be happening is we'll actually be looking at triangles. I love using triangles because for me, they are actually my favorite ones. Okay, if we don't have a signal that has been sent, if it's a triangle, I will not actually be interested in participating in the market. So for example, how do you take this trade? How do you trade? For example, CHFJPY has been shared. You don't want to just come and start entering the sell blindly. Kindly do this. We have our entry confirmation blueprint that we usually follow. All right, so what is the entry confirmation blueprint that we usually follow? I have been able to share with you guys this on the group. Let it just open so that I can be able to show you. But the first thing that we do is you want to go on TradingView and confirm if this is a high probability trade that the AI has given you, or it is a low probability trade. So what do? I will come here and go on CHFJPY very quickly. CHFJPY. So on CHFJPY, what I'll do is I will actually be looking at the higher time frames. So on the higher time frames, what am I looking for? Something very, very simple. Can be able to see this is what we have been able to, we have been taking trades for this thing actually. So move drawing, I'm looking for something very, very simple. I'm looking for where are we heading? Okay, are we on a downtrend or are we on an uptrend? So real quick, I can be able to identify that there is actually this zone here, which for me, it is a high area of interest zone. I will go to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, remember, what are we looking at? What are we looking at? Remember our entry confirmation. We want to see a break of the trend line. Okay, let's be sure. Let's not force issues. Always make sure you're not forcing trend lines. Always make sure that you're drawing them to precision. Okay. What's not happening? Okay, so do you have a broken trend line? For me, I can be able to say yes. Reason, this has been able to actually be tapped like at least 2 times. Let's take a look at this. It is very important to understand the strategy behind how you're trading. Just don't take trades blindly. Okay? Don't take trades blindly. Learn how to become a trader, not a signal taker. So we have another touch here. Okay? And then we have another touch here. Okay? Can be able to see. So we are moving down. You have this confirmation, which is an area of interest. The trend line has been able to be broken. So for the AI to share this trade, for me, this is a high quality trade that I will actually look forward to actually take it. Okay. So what will I look for? I will now come to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame now, I am still looking now for a bearish impulse. After having a bearish impulse, I want to see price retrace. Okay, bearish impulse, price retrace. You can be able to see this as a bearish impulse, and then we have a correction. Okay, so if we take a look at our entry confirmations, what do we look at? Our entry confirmations, what do we look at? We have these images. Let's look for the images. Where are the images? Where are the images? I think I've pinned the images. Okay, so you always want to come and refer to this image. If you're selling, what are you looking at? Okay, so this is an example of a valid 1 hour sell setup. Price provided are 1, a broken trend line; 2, a bearish impulse; 3, a bearish correction; 4, a confirmation breakout. So we are looking for a broken trend line on the 1 hour time frame, a bearish impulse, a correction breakout. So let's be able to see if that is what we are having on our uh, 1 hour thing. So I think it's not very, very clear. Okay, I can be able to say this is a broken trend line, but I am not seeing like something. I need something clean. I like taking high quality trades. I need to see something like this. Okay, something like this. This is what I need to see. But here it is just doing its own things here, man. It's just doing its own thing. I am usually conservative, okay? I know the AI is doing the hard work for me. I know the AI is analyzing the markets for me. So I just don't want to take many trades. I'm looking at one best trade. I'd rather take one trade in a week and make more money than take 10, 20 trades in a week and lose a lot of money. That is one thing you'll come to understand when you start becoming profitable. Three wave and then break. That is the only time you can participate into this trade. Otherwise, for this one now, I will let it play. And the reason for me I'm very patient is because you know what? I'm promoting Manara. People are buying Manara. I'm getting affiliate money from Manara. So I don't have pressure to actually make money in trading. That's another secret that you need to understand. You don't want to come to trading with a lot of pressure of making money. You want to come into trading with the mindset that you are investing the money that you're actually making. And that is where people go wrong. So for me, when I don't take a trade today, I am very comfortable. But 90% of the guys on the forex space, what do? They always want to take trades every single day, every single day, every single day. They think that trading will actually be what will be giving them bus fare, what will be giving them money to date, what will be giving them money to feed for. No, you get out that mentality and start looking at forex as an investment that you're making and an investment that will actually grow. And with that, you'll start seeing how you're looking at these markets in a very different. Because I know some people will actually get into this sell here. It's not that it won't come here, but does it meet all your entry criteria? Does it meet all your entry criteria? If the answer is no, why are you getting into the trade? Because you want to make money. And that is how you get people blowing their accounts over and over and over and over and over. Right, let's get into USD card. So for USD card, I'll still be looking at the same thing. For me, looking at USD card, just looking at it, I don't want to get into this trade. Just looking at it. Take a look at what is happening here. Take a look at what is happening here. And this is actually the 4 hours time frame. I don't want to be trading in this kind of consolidation. Why is price going? Price looks like it's going up. Price looks like it's going down. Nothing. This is either it's not bullish or bearish. I can only trade it if let's get into trading so that you can be able to analyze it well. Very valuable call, man. Like this is a call that I will charge $1,000, man, for you. My goal, guys, is not just to recruit people into this thing. My goal is to build traders. My goal is for someone seated somewhere in Maldives trading and they will say, hey, for me, where I actually learned how to trade is on the Manara live sessions and on Moabu's FX team. That's why I am avoiding giving out signals. I'm avoiding doing all those things that I know will just cripple you as a forex trader. You'll even not know how to what you're doing. Okay, so this is what you can be able to see with USD card. Okay, USD card, it's just a consolidation. Okay, always go on the higher time frame. When you go on the higher time frame, you'll actually be able to see a consolidation. Okay, a consolidation. So far, guys, I'm not seeing any trade that I can take. All right, so I'll still be patient. So the only time I can be able to participate in this market if it breaks up and goes, or if it breaks down and now shows me that, hey, we are going down. So far, I'm not interested. And most likely this is consolidating because of some news that are actually coming up. Okay? Yes. So take it slow, my friend. Take it slowly, slowly, slowly. EURJPY. Okay, EURJPY has been given out, but let's see if I would actually have participated in this trade. It has played out, yes, but could I have taken the trade? The thing is not just taking any trade. The thing is, are you meeting all your entry confirmations? Are you meeting all your parameters? Right? Because for me, when I'm meeting all parameters, even if it hits my stop loss, I am totally okay. I am totally okay. So on the daily time frame, we kind of have some things going on. Can be able to see this one here. I can be able also to like say like this is something that is happening. I can be able also to tell that this is also something that is happening here. Okay, that is on the higher time frame. So ideally also this thing, I am not quite sure where it is going still on the daily time frame. Can you be able to see if on the 4 hours time frame, we can be able to be a little bit lenient with it. Let's see. On the 4 hours time frame, we can be able to see this channel moving up. Okay, I can be able to see this. Okay, so if we are able to see this, what is happening here is we can be able to see that we have a broken zone, which is here. Okay, so this has been broken. Okay, good. The 4 hours candle has closed below. Amazing. Okay, so what we want to see is we want now to go on the 1 hour time frame. When we go on the 1 hour time frame, what do we want to see? We want to see a broken trend line. Remember the entry that I actually gave you. You want to see a broken trend line, and then you have to see a bearish impulse, and then you have to see a correction. What am I seeing there? Manara has given the trade, but these are things that you're able to see. You're able to see a broken trend line, but after a broken trend line, I'm not able to see a clear bearish impulse. Will I take the trade? Absolutely no. Manara is gonna give me more signals, man. Manara is gonna give me more signals. Let's go USDJPY 1 hour time frame. This was a good sell. This was a good sell. I can be able to see several things. Let's go and get into it. USDJPY. With USDJPY, what am I looking for? I'm going to the daily time frame. Guys, I'm being very honest with you on this video, on this call, because this is exactly how I trade. Okay, this is exactly how I trade. And you can be able to see my zones are already drawn, but let's draw together. Okay, so on the daily time frame, what am I seeing? I can be able to see moves like these ones. Okay, I can be able to see a move like this one here. So failing to create a new high. All right. I can be able to see that's on the daily time frame. Just that one will be able to help me identify some key areas. So on the 4 hours time frame, what am I able to see? I can be able to see there's a broken trend line here, okay, which is okay, which I can draw this to be a very important zone, support turn to be resistance, okay, on the 4 hours time frame. I'm also able to see here also there is another zone. Okay, and remember now this was a consolidation. So now we have a breakout. So we go to the 1 hour time frame. We need to have still our confirmation. So for Manara has given it out as a sell, okay, which sometimes trades like this one you can take, okay, because you can be able to see it's actually selling, it's actually coming out of this zone, all those things, and it's dropping, okay. But for me, I'll still remain and stick to my plan. I want to see first a broken trend line, which is this one. Okay, after a broken trend line, I want to see, I will always follow this image every single day.
Sorry, Coach Dennis, I can't see your screen. I don't know if it's only from here.
Can anyone else? Are you guys, are you able to see my screen? We can see, I see. Okay, anyone else who is not able to see my screen? Anyone else who is not able to see my screen? Okay, looks like Faith, you can just log out and log in again. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So I'll always follow this image to the last, to every single, I will follow my plan. I'm waiting for a 3-wave correction here, which I know this week it might happen, and I'll be getting into my sell from there. All right. And so our call will be ending in the next 10 minutes. We don't have a live trade that we can take, but you can be able to see how exactly I usually take these trades. So for silver, all right, you can be able to see, I think for silver, this one definitely, let's see, EURCAD on the daily time frame. EURCAD on the daily time frame. So it's telling us to buy EURCAD on the daily time frame. So guys, as we finish up the call, as we finish up the live session, the Manara offer. So EURCAD, this one you can be able to see this is a good trade. I can already see it. Just look, we are bullish. Can you see the broken trend line is here? After the broken trend line is here, you can be able to see we have a bullish impulse. Okay, after having a bullish impulse, what are we having? We are having a correction. After having a correction, where do you get into your trade? You want to get into your trade on the breakouts. Okay, we've been able to see such trades happening over and over and over last week, and this week we're gonna get the same type of trades that will be happening. Okay, what the hell is going on with my trading view? I don't know what's happening with my trading view. So this is the type of the trade that you want to do. So guys, with HFM, I have a still bonus for you guys. My code has been activated still to run for this week. So still you can be able to deposit and double. The offer deposit and double is still going on. I'll be able to send the link on the group. So let's say deposit and double. What does it mean? It means if you have $100, you deposit with HFM, what will happen is you'll actually be getting $100 extra. This is only for my team, guys. This is only for my team. If you're ready to do the deposit, send me your message. I'll be able to send you the coupon code that you'll actually use, the promo code that you'll use. After sending the promo code that you use, you can actually get the deposit and double, and you can be coming on our live trading sessions here, and you can be taking live trades. Don't always be in a hurry to take trades. Be in a hurry to take a look at if the trades are actually meeting your entry conditions. Don't trade for the sake of trading. Don't trade because you feel like trading. Don't trade because you just think of this is going to buy. Always go back to the image. Ask yourself, does it meet if I'm selling my trade, and write it down. Ask yourself, does it meet these entry confirmations? Step number one, has it been shared by Manara? Yes, it has been shared by Manara. Step number two is, after it has been shared by Manara, has it met my entry confirmations on this image? Yes. Step number three is, am I supposed to take the trade? Yes. Step number four, what's my risk management? If I have $100, how much am I risking per trade? Am I risking $50? No. Am I risking $25? No. Am I risking $10? Yes. You can risk $10 and give yourself like space. In case your trade goes the other way, you have your $90 that you can risk another $10 on another trade, and another $10 on another trade, and another $10 on another trade. All right. Get access to also Manara AI for $149. Offer ending today. It will be getting to $250. So make sure you have registered what I usually share with you. Register with the link. Go back to the group. You'll be able to get the link. You can pay with your Visa card. You can pay with your credit card and get access to this amazing tool, man. Like, people are using it. People are using it. People are making money. People are using it. People are making money. CHFJPY, CHFJPY. No, I'll not tell you guys to do that. Because some people will take the trade here and then they'll start, oh, the trade is on Friday now. Yeah, someone just on my DM, the CHFJPY trade guy, is it still running? Okay, so you can wait for this, but also a candle below this zone, this can be a sell targeting this move that you're seeing me looking at here. Targeting this move before it gives you a correction, and you can be able to bank on that. And that move, I think Manara has been able to calculate for you, where most likely it is more or less to actually react from, which is at 169.2218. If you actually shift to the time frames, you'll be able to see the reason why that zone is there is because I believe Manara will draw for you a support and resistance zone, and you can be able to see here it is the zone, the main 4 hours zone. Okay, so take a look at this, guys. It has already been broken down here. The candle is actually broken below. This is the best thing about trading this AI, man. Okay, this is the best thing, guys. This is the best thing. This is the best thing. So, guys, I will not, as I said, I am not showing guys how to be signal takers. I want you guys to be traders who can make their decisions and who can be responsible of their trades. I will not tell you what to do here, but after shifting this to these support and resistance zones, I've already seen something good here. Okay, but I always like following my plan. Follow my plan. This is my plan. This is my plan. All right, so guys, and take the signals that are being given on the Telegram group. That's Pluto. That guy, his win rate is 85%. In Forex, you just need a 50% win rate, okay? This trade is running. The moment it hits your take profit one, secure, 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 secure. It is running on my end. And you have like 2 minutes whereby if you have any question, you can ask your question real quick. Today's live trading session is over. Hope you guys are able to get value, right? If you're able to, if the call was valuable, drop a one. If the call was valuable, drop a one. If you're able to learn something new today, drop a one, man. Drop a one, one, one. And be able to see a lot of people dropping ones. Can I know when they did not? Okay, we have one. See my question. I don't even have time to explain. Like, we only have like 2 minutes. So for the guys who are saying the Manara is not working, I'm giving you an update on your WhatsApp group. Okay, it's still being worked on. You'll be able to get access to it within this week. So just be patient, bear with the updates that are happening. That's why I'm doing all these things, guys, all these things so that I can be able just to give you as much value as possible. The offer to double is you deposit $100, you get twice $200 using my HFM. I'll be able to give you a specific code that will help you do that. Okay. I'm sure the call is over now. It will just go off. Okay, thanks. So welcome, guys. Let's meet up tomorrow. Guys, we also have a live event that will be coming. If you're in Kenya, we can meet physically. I'll be sharing with you the details in the group. It will be a live event whereby we can interact with you and connect with you and actually share insights. Okay, right. So if you're in Nairobi, Kenya, I'll be sharing with you the form whereby you can fill in the group. I'll be able to see you on the live event. It's gonna be amazing, man. Going to be trading live, you're going to be exchanging notes, you're going to be connecting. I'm going to be meeting with you guys also physically. And yes, I'm going to be dropping the date, time, and venue.